Sean Diddy Combs' legal battle takes a shocking turn with revelations from his past. The ongoing legal battle of Sean Diddy Combs has taken an unexpected and highly controversial turn, as court proceedings revealed intimate and startling footage from what insiders have described as his notorious freak-off parties. This development has sent shockwaves through the courtroom and the public alike, shining an intense spotlight on the private life of one of the music industry's most influential figures. For those unfamiliar with the case, Sean Combs, also known as Diddy, the iconic rapper behind hits such as "I'll Be Missing You," was arrested in September 2024. He currently faces a series of serious allegations including sex trafficking, racketeering, and arranging travel for prostitution purposes. Despite the severity of the accusations, Diddy has vehemently denied all charges, pleading not guilty and maintaining his innocence throughout the trial. The courtroom drama has been closely followed by media and fans around the world, with many eager to see how the case unfolds. The trial officially began on May 5, 2025, and prosecutors have been systematically presenting their case, aiming to demonstrate Diddy's alleged involvement in a complex network of criminal activities. According to reports, the prosecution's case is expected to conclude by June 24, following the final cross-examination of witnesses by the defense team. However, what has captivated the courtroom and public attention the most is not merely the legal arguments or witness testimonies, but rather the unexpected and very personal evidence prosecutors introduced: videos and images from the infamous freak-off parties that Diddy reportedly hosted. The freak-off parties, behind closed doors. Described by insiders as exclusive and extravagant gatherings, these freak-off parties were reportedly wild events where the usual rules and inhibitions did not apply. The parties allegedly involved a mix of high-profile guests, lavish entertainment, and controversial behaviors that now form a central part of the prosecution's narrative. During the recent court session, the judge allowed prosecutors to display roughly 20 minutes of video footage from one of these parties. The scenes captured in these videos left many in the courtroom stunned and speechless. The footage included moments of revelry and personal indulgence, painting a picture of an environment that prosecutors argue enabled and masked illegal activities. One of the most talked about images showed Diddy receiving a leg massage from a woman, a seemingly casual and intimate moment that has been seized upon by prosecutors as indicative of the environment fostered at these parties. Another picture showed the music mogul relaxing on an exercise bike, drink in hand, appearing completely at ease amid the chaotic atmosphere. These images and videos, according to prosecutors, are not just snapshots of a celebrity's private life but pieces of a larger puzzle that they believe will help establish a pattern of behavior relevant to the charges against Diddy. Charges against Sean Combs. The legal battle in detail. The charges leveled against Diddy are grave and carry significant legal consequences. The indictment alleges that Combs was involved in sex trafficking, a crime involving the exploitation of individuals for commercial sexual purposes, as well as racketeering, which pertains to engaging in illegal business activities as part of an organized criminal enterprise. Additionally, the case involves allegations that Diddy arranged travel for the purpose of prostitution, a federal offense that can carry severe penalties. Prosecutors claim that through his connections and influence, Diddy facilitated a network that exploited vulnerable individuals, using his parties and events as cover. Throughout the trial, the defense team has countered these allegations by challenging the credibility of witnesses and questioning the interpretation of the evidence. Diddy's lawyers argue that the videos and images shown in court are taken out of context, depicting moments of social interaction that do not amount to criminal activity. Public reaction and media frenzy. News of the freak-off party videos has ignited a media frenzy, with social media platforms abuzz with speculation, commentary, and debate over the implications of the evidence presented. Fans and critics alike are divided, with some expressing shock and disappointment, while others emphasize the importance of due process and the presumption of innocence until proven guilty. The revelations have also sparked conversations about the darker sides of celebrity culture, the use of power and influence, and the responsibilities of public figures. Some commentators have drawn parallels to other high-profile cases involving entertainers, highlighting the challenges of separating personal life from legal accountability. What lies ahead? The road to verdict. As the trial moves forward toward the expected conclusion in late June, all eyes remain on the courtroom. Prosecutors are anticipated to finish their case by June 24 after the defense cross-examines the final witness. Following this, the defense will present its case, seeking to dismantle the prosecution's arguments and persuade the jury of Diddy's innocence. Given the high-profile nature of the case and the complex legal issues involved, the outcome remains uncertain. Regardless of the verdict, the trial has already left an indelible mark on Sean Combs' legacy, challenging the public's perception of the man behind the music. Conclusion. Sean Diddy Combs' legal battle is one of the most closely watched celebrity trials in recent memory, not only because of the allegations but also due to the unprecedented glimpse into his private world provided by the freak-off party footage. The case highlights the intricate intersection of fame, power, and justice, reminding us that no one is above the law. As the courtroom drama unfolds, the world waits to see whether the prosecution can prove their case beyond a reasonable doubt, or if Diddy will walk free, his name cleared of all charges. Until then, the videos, the testimonies, and the legal arguments will continue to captivate audiences and fuel discussions across the globe.